40 years ago, 3D printing was invented to bring freedom to manufacturing. But its fragile nature has locked up the scope of imagination. Now it's all going to change with the launch of the FIBRESEEKER 3, the world's first personal continuous fiber 3D printer. A mighty and powerful tool to create not just toys or prototypes, but high-performance functional parts.
I'm already using carbon fiber. Why is it still breaking?
That's because chopped fiber's not the real deal. Come on, I'll show you how it's really done.
We use a dual nozzle system. One prints the base material, the other follows, laying down an endless, continuous strand of carbon fiber, sealed in place with bonding resin. Like rebar and concrete, that fiber locks everything together, bringing out the full strength of carbon fiber. That's how we go from 70 to 900 megapascals, strong enough to trust, almost twice the strength of aluminum alloy. This isn't just a step forward, it's a whole new level of strength.
It's so light. Is it really strong enough?
Absolutely. Go ahead. It's designed to endure impact again and again.
Hi, I'm looking to custom make 4 mechanical dog legs in 6061 aluminum alloy.
A tight budget and a 5-day deadline? I don't know if I can pull that off.
Why not? Just try this. You see? It's stronger, lighter, yet cheaper and faster than machining. Less waiting, more building. You get parts with serious strength, less weight, and often at a fraction of the cost. In all the ways that matter, it stands up to metal.
Nice.
Hey Carl, don't worry. I've got this. This time's different. Forget the fiddly setup. One-click slicing. Everything's automated, so you can focus on the fun part. Easy to use, easier than ever.
Wow, so cool.
Wow!
His toy's fixed. What about you? Got something in mind? Go ahead. Enjoy what you've built.
Hey Carl, can you grab me the wrench?
Got it.
Let every need be satisfied shortly. Let every ride begin with no wait. Integrate this technology into everyday life. Creation should feel like this: bold, simple, and free.
FIBRESEEKER 3, bringing a space tech to your desk. It's time to seek a stronger future.